Hello everyone, today I will show you how to share Spotify Wrap. Here's how it's done. Launch the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android device. Once wrapped, a banner or notification will appear on your home screen or in the Home tab. Tap on it to view your personalized wrap experience. Within the wrap experience, you'll find options to share your highlights on various platforms. Social media. Share your wrap on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and more. Direct messaging. Send your wrap directly to friends via messaging apps. Save and share later. Save your wrap images to your device and share them at your convenience. Customize your share. Before sharing, you can customize your wrap post by selecting specific highlights, adding captions, or choosing different formats to suit the platform you are sharing on. That is everything to know about how to share Spotify Wrap. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.